Hello, 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 and welcome to Interpersonal Communication. This is Communication 110. I am so glad that you decided to enroll in this class, and I am honored to be your teacher for this session. I want to just say a few things. Number one, you need to purchase the electronic textbook. That's the electronic textbook. That is found in your syllabus. So go to the syllabus, click on the textbook. It's highlighted. It will take you to the website where you can purchase it. I believe it is about $22, $23. You will need the textbook in order to complete this class. You will not be able to complete this class without the textbook. You will not be able to complete this class. So please make sure you get that textbook. This is lesson 1. You will need to complete chapter 1 in your textbook. There are some items that we want to discuss with you in lesson 1, particularly the decide model. We want you to take a look at that because that's going to be important in answering some of the questions in the various lessons. I put a few announcements in your course. I want you to take a look at those. They are very important. The first one is you need to be the owner of what you write. And if you use someone else's information, and I'm hoping it'll be from your textbook or for some other reliable source, that you give that person or that text or that book or that article or that website credit. And the way we do that is by using citations. If you use someone else's information and you do not give them credit, then that is considered plagiarism. And we will not be able to provide you with full credit for your assignments. And if you have multiple errors, there's a possibility of failing the course. And so I do not want that to happen to you, which is why I have put those items in the announcements for you to read. I also put in there 2 videos that help you to understand how to do in-text citations and to explain what in-text citations are. This is a college level course. I want to make sure that I am preparing you for the next level of course in higher ed. You will need to be able to do in-text citations. And so I am going to help you get started on that. And I know that you are super excited about doing it. But listen, it's going to be important that you understand that you have to do that. I expect that when you are writing your assignments, not only are you following the instructions that are outlined, but that you are also providing me with at least 1 in-text citation from your textbook. That means you are either quoting directly, you are explaining, you are providing explanation, you are summarizing something from out of the textbook that you are going to do an in-text citation on. That is what I expect for assignments. For your midterm and your final. For your midterm and your final written assignments, I expect a minimum of 3. I expect a minimum of 3 in-text citations. Okay, so here's the score. I will be reaching out to you, checking in. What I do ask is that if you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I also have another email address that I may send emails from. That's felicia.ganther@maricopa.edu. My apologies, felicia.ganther@domail.maricopa.edu. That's my work email address. So you may see that. But if you see Felicia, hi Felicia, bye Felicia. If you see Felicia, you know it's me. Okay. So I'll be reaching out to you sometimes by my email at work. All right. So I think I've covered everything. Make sure you get your textbook. Make sure you check my email I sent you. Make sure you take a look at those announcements. You need to make sure you complete those syllabus quiz and pretest and quiz in lesson 1 ASAP, so you do not get dropped from the class for non-participation. And that is something that I cannot control. That is something I cannot control. If the system shows that you're not active, in those first couple of days, it will drop you from the course, and I cannot put you back in. Okay? I think that's it for right now. I'll see you in lesson 2, and I'm excited to be here with you through this journey, and I hope that you will learn something super important and valuable to you and your own personal growth, above and beyond getting a grade in this class and satisfying a requirement for your certificate or your degree. So this is going to be hopefully something that you will say was very beneficial for you in your college journey. All right, my friends, on to lesson 1, and I'll see you in lesson 2.